Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. If you make one common mistake, we can burn more used computers and that can end up costing you thousands of dollars in repairs. How we know about that? It happened to us back in the day. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20. We're having a Dodge Jeep Chrysler vehicle. That's practically vehicles made by Stellantis Group. So if you have one of those, you want to know what are the symptoms of bad car battery, how you can tell that a battery is bad, what you can experience when it starts getting weak. Even though it may start the vehicle, you may experience some problems. We'll talk about that. We'll explain about common things we see here at the garage. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. Guys, you can find information about almost anything you can think of. And we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, if you have bad battery, weak battery, now your vehicle, okay, the number one thing usually in cold weather you may notice that the vehicle will have a hard time starting. Okay, it may not start at all, especially during the cold months. But sometimes it can happen even summertime. This one actually failed in the summer, in the heat. Now, what are the symptoms? Sometimes you may experience slow cranking. The engine will turn over, but it's not as fast as it should, and it may take a few more seconds to start. Another thing you may notice, accessories such as radio, navigation, they may actually, guys, turn on a few seconds after the car starts, where when you have a new battery, they start almost immediately when you turn the ignition switch on. And the car sometimes does that, turn accessories off, so the engine can start and can limit the power consumption, guys. So slow cranking or not cranking, not starting and all is quite common. Another thing that we see here at the garage, guys. Okay, but before we continue, okay, we have this one right here, right? This one actually lost one cell. That means that out of the 6 cells in the battery, it lost one of them. I want to show you now. Okay, here we're going to connect the battery tester quick. And according to the tester, guys, okay, perfect. Right now, we have 11.14 volts, which is quite low, right? And if we do a test on that one, it's practically short, guys. That battery is completely short. Check it out now. But it still starts the vehicle. It just cranks slow. Now, what we see quite often when something like that happens, when the battery gets weak, in some cases you may have, really high voltage. I want to show you on one battery. Let me show you now. We'll get the tester. That's out of a Mercedes. The battery has really good voltage. Okay, if we plug it in, you will notice that the voltage on this battery is at 13 volts, right? But if you test it, guys, okay, the capacity of the battery practically will tell you that it's no good. It has only 165 amps out of 900. So even though it's good voltage, doesn't mean you have a good battery. And when that happens, okay, what you can experience? You can experience having malfunctions. You may have engine light on. You may have transmission failures. You may have service transmission message on your Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge vehicle, guys. You may see the vehicle acting up, or at sudden lights will start flashing, popping. You may get random codes. If you have the automatic start-stop function, it may not work correctly as well. You may notice the vehicle transmission shifting funny. Hard shifts, down shifts, up shifts may be really rough in some cases because of a bad battery, guys. So when you have problem with your vehicle, the first thing is check your battery. We'll put information about the tester in the video where you can get it from if you need one of those, but always test your battery. Number one thing we see at the garage here, people overlook something simple such as a battery and they start spending thousands of dollars on repairs that they don't need. Also, when replacing the battery, We'll have video on the channel how to do that. It's important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise you can end up burning modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.